welcome back to the channel. This is your girl D, and today is Vlogmas day 11. Yes. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, thank you for tuning in, and if you are returning, thank you for returning. Don't forget to like and subscribe and do all that good stuff. Alright, YouTube, so today we are going to be making Boudin balls. I don't know if you guys heard of that. It's a new viral like rice ball, but it has a lot of different like elements in it. So it has meat, cheese, and a lot of other stuff that I'm going to be putting in there. So I don't know if you guys ever heard of that before, but it's been viral and a lot of people were making it, and they put a coating of hot Cheetos. So I'm going to be trying to make these tonight, but I'm going to actually be doing a little different because they don't have the Boudin. They only have sausage, so I'm going to do sausage. I'm going to do a Mexican rice, and I'm going to add a few other different things to it. So come along with me. So it's a new, well, I shouldn't say new. It's actually a viral TikTok trend that's been going on called Boudin balls. And what you're going to do is make a rice ball with meat and cheese and a few other ingredients that you can put in there. And then you ball them up. And then we actually coat them with hot Cheetos. So I'm excited to make these. I've been wanting to try these forever, and I've been seeing them go viral, and I was like, I really wish I could get my hands on these. So let me actually try to make them myself. They're gonna be a little different again because we don't have Boudin here. I was looking and I didn't see any, so I'm going to improvise with sausage, and these are gonna be great. So I'm putting your girl D is gonna put her twist on it. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And I hope you guys enjoy. Talk to you soon. Yeah, so this is the ingredients that you're going to use. Like I said, I'm improvising. They didn't have any hot Cheeto puffs, so I'm going to use flaming hot Funyuns, and then I'm going to use the regular hot Cheetos. I'm going to use some Spanish rice because I want, a little twist to it. And then there's a hot, I'm going to be using some mozzarella, some sharp cheddar, and then some sausage, spicy sausage and regular. And then put a little bit of cream cheese. So those are my ingredients. And then there's flour as well that I don't have sitting out right now.
no grease in there.
I'm not doing that right now. Got to be back in the freezer for a minute. Now here you go. Cover it good. Roll it around.
Roll it around.
Get your hands off the wet part. Okay, get the.
Mamma mia.
Cover it good. Just cover it in there good. The first few that just came out, looking good. All right, you guys, so here we are. We're ready to test out the Boudin hot Cheeto. Well, I did hot Cheetos in Funyuns, hot Funyuns. We're gonna try these out right now and see how they taste, you guys. So here we go. And here's what they're looking like. We're about to dig in and try them out. My niece helped me make them. Say hey to the channel.
Hi.
Alrighty. Yes, let's get ready to try these out, you guys. All right, let's grab one.
I'm gonna go for the biggest one ever.
Okay.
I'm mad I forgot the cheese, you guys. You're supposed to have the cheese to dip into it, but I forgot to bring the cheese.
Do you like what I did?
Here you go. Let's see the cheese. Cool.
And I made this.
Alright, guys.
Kind
Well,
of
hot
messy.
Cheetos and hot Funyuns.
You ready?
Messy. You ready? Let's
Come on.
go.
At the same time.
3,
Go.
2. They're good. I wish she had some
They're not
cheese.
nasty.
You need some cheese. So. Hot Cheetos, I was kind
So for me, guys, flavor-wise, my rice and sausage is great. Now the outside coating, which is supposed to be the Cheetos, I would try something different. I don't know. The Cheetos is not horrible, but it doesn't give me any type of, flavor that I want. I was kind of disappointed in that. But this is what everybody's been trying out. So I don't know. Maybe if I did something wrong, I'm not sure. But inside is wonderful. Outside, I would want to do a different type of batter. Maybe some other type of batter that got some more flavor to it. Because the hot Cheetos ain't really doing it for me. I don't know. I did exactly what they said to do. So I don't know. It's okay on the outside. Like I said, the inside is awesome. So I would try these with a different batter maybe next time. And excuse me. And probably it would be great. But like I said, overall, I would give it a 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 because, like I said, the flavor inside is great. The rice is good. The sausage is good. It's just the outside. All right, you guys. So that was my vlog for Vlogmas Day 11. We did try out the Boudin balls. They were good. Like I said, I love what I made inside. The rice, the sausage, the cheese, and everything I put inside. And me seasoning it, it was awesome. But I didn't care for the breading, which was the hot Cheetos. But yeah, the hot Cheetos just lost the flavor after they were fried. They didn't have any type of flavor. So for me, if I was ever to make those again, I would add some more flavor to the hot Cheetos and, give it a little more seasoning, because that was what made me not really care for them, is because of the hot Cheetos. And that's supposed to be, the Hot Topic, you know, to make sure that's what's supposed to make it taste good. So I'm really just kind of disappointed, but it was good. Like I said, overall, my rice and everything was good inside. It's just I would do a different batter, probably maybe some type of panko crumbs, maybe something that has more flavor to it, because the Cheetos didn't do nothing. It was just like, okay, where's the flavor at? But overall, I enjoyed it. But like I said, it was something fun to do. Me and my niece enjoyed it. We had a good time. We did make some. I was going to make with my daughter, but you know, she's not with me right now. She's with her father. So I'm going to save her some because she'll want to try them later. But it was good. I enjoyed making them. And it was something fun to do. So again, if you guys want to try them out, try them out. They were very easy to make. You do have a little process to go through, but I would start out small. Don't do a lot like I did. I did so many of them. I should have did a smaller batch just to try them out. But I'm getting ready to log off here now, you guys. It is time for me to get off here, clean up, and get myself ready for work because I have to be up in the morning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog again. If you have, like I said, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're tuning in, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your post notifications on and do all that good stuff. And I will be back with you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 12. All right, you guys, you have a wonderful, blessed night. And I will talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.